Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change preset in Frostpunk 2. So as you guys see already in the main menu, I'm gonna head over to the second settings tab, head over to the second tab called graphics, and as you will see there's the preset option. Basically all it does, it automatically presets the qualities of your textures and every graphic setting. So to change that setting, all you need to do is just left click on the right button to make it very low, or if you want to go back to the previous one, just left click on the left button and then hit accept. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.